Hello my alien students, welcome back. So we are in part 2 of the story, isn't it? Yeah. So what we're going to do is, this course is for people who never ever used AutoCAD 2D, isn't it? Just a second, okay? Yeah. So okay, so how do we start? Okay, click this box command. We want to create a box. We're going to start from basics, isn't it? Click the box. Okay, where do we want to start? We have two options. Okay, so first I'm going to teach you, we start from the 0, 0, 0. So type 0, 0, 0. Any comments? So we're starting from the center of the box. Okay, then what we want to specify the length of the box, isn't it? We want to create a box. A box is what? Having 3 dimensions: length, width and height. L enter. Now what he asks you, specify the length of the box. Let's say 15 units. Okay, and then he asks you specify the width. Let's say 10 units. Perfect. Then what, you can change the height. We want the height to be positive, isn't it? Let's say 10 units. Yeah. Any comments? Okay, I hope it's clear now, isn't it? Okay, so now what I'm going to teach you now is, okay, see, it started like this. Okay, we started 10, isn't it? Okay, in the next video I will teach you how to draw it correctly, in the sense we wanted the box maybe like this. How come it went that side? Okay, so I just wanted to teach you this. I hope everything is clear. The next video I teach you how to draw it with correctly, correct alignment. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.